Hello, welcome to our channel. How loud it is. In this video, we will explain how sound is measured and its effects. For example, breathing is 10 decibel, rustling leaves 20 decibel, whisper 30 decibel, sound of refrigerator is 40 decibels, moderate rainfall 50 decibels, conversation 60 decibels, city car traffic 70 decibel, truck 80 decibel, hair dryer 90 decibel, helicopter 100 decibel, and anything beyond 80 decibel is not good, and your air will be permanently affected by exposure to anything beyond 80, 90, 100 decibels. And we will test with hair dryer. Sound hair dryer is 90 decibels at the full speed. We will see that the L inst means the instantaneous sound from the hair dryer. It's changing 90, 91. So in this video we saw how loud the sound of hair dryer in terms of decibels, and to view more such videos, subscribe to our channel, click bell button and share to your friends. Thank you.